What is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Well, today we're gonna go ahead and talk about some commands, and this is the /execute commands. And well, there's a lot of things we need to know. And oh, what is it? It's just stop talking and start the video. Okay then. Okay, let's start the video. Let's go. Alright, so what we're trying to do here is actually have something that when you step on a specific block, you'll get some commands being activated without even using pressure plates, because pressure plates are obvious. But yeah, let's go straight into the tutorial. So today we're gonna learn about execute command. So execute command runs in repeat block type of command block and always active. So what we do, we pretend this here is okay. Let's do this thing for a sec. So we wanted that we step on this gold, we will get something like a jump boost. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna put execute at P. It can be anything. If you want it just you, then put your name on it. But if you want it the nearest player, you put at P, and if you want all of it, you put at A. I mean all players. And then if you want entities, you put at E. Well, yeah, just basic commands there. So you just gonna execute at P, and then you try and tell wherever that player is. So that means wherever, and then you detect that player at its -1, and like y -1 is at a gold block. That's just, I'm just explaining what does this mean. So yeah, you just put there execute at P, the coordinates wherever, and then you put detect, then those wherever symbols, and then just put -1 at the y axis, and then just put gold block, and the data of that is 0, and you put whatever commands you like. So like what we said, we're gonna put effect at A, for example. Doesn't really matter. I don't have anybody with me, so I put at A, and then you go jump boost. Okay, let me just read this. Jump boost 3, for example. I mean, yeah, 3 seconds, and jump boost 3. So if we step on this block, we should get jump boost. I got jump boost 4 for some reason. Well, yeah, that's pretty much what is it about. It didn't meant to fell off here. So you see, every time you step on this gold block, it just goes ahead and just give you jump boost for 3 seconds, right? Yeah, jump boost for 3 seconds. So if you're making a minigame map or something, you know how those death runs of those things, like you activate jump boost and stuff, or you want to set this thing as a checkpoint, just change the command here as /spawn point. Well, you don't really need a slash for that. Yeah, so just instead of effect at a jump boost 3, you put spawn point at P, something like that. But there is this thing that you can do. Like, what if you want it hidden? Something like this. So pretend this is not a transparent block or a translucent block. You just pretend this is grass block, and then you're trying to hide. Like, there's a specific place where there's a secret to teleport into your base or something like that. So you put the gold underneath that block, so it won't really show up so obvious. So let's pretend right here, you just put it there and then just cover it so it you can't see it. So we will try to do that, but instead of -1 in here at the y-axis of the tag, you're gonna put -2, because below our feet is -1, which is the block we're stepping on right now, and then -2 is actually underneath the block we're stepping on. So we're gonna change this thing to -2, and this is what happens. It's amazing, right? So like, there's a secret. You don't know what is the secret, you just find the perfect spot. If we can find it somewhere. Oh, there we go, I found it. And then yeah, the jump is not that strong enough, but hey, yep, you guys see that. So let's just pretend you want to teleport the player somewhere like in your secret base. So you can change this effect, you can change this command anytime you like, and then just maybe put TP at P5, maybe 5:30, then 4, like that. Maybe let's pretend 5:34 is actually your base, and then if you step on it, you get teleported into your base. Or it could be also a trap, you know, like a troll, and then just die from the death. Yeah, you could do that. Oh, look at that. So like, just searching on there, and then you just randomly get teleported somewhere. So if you guys really want this thing to work without anybody knowing it, I suggest you guys actually use a much more rarer block use that makes sure that nobody else will gonna make that block and then step on it at the chunk of your command block whenever it's actually on their render distance to generate and to run it. So yeah, I suggest maybe a dried kelp block. I'm not sure, but it might happen to be as rare. So just these blocks can be anything. Just find something rare. Maybe you guys rarely use this. Well, this has data, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So to guys know those, I guess you're gonna go /give, and then I believe that's stone bricks. Yeah, here we go, stone brick. It doesn't have any chiseled or anything like that, but it says here the data right there. And what you want to do, I think that chiseled one is actually data 3, or is it actually data 2? I don't know. Let's try 2 for a second. Oh, that's cracked stone brick, so I guess that's 3. So yeah, I think this chiseled one is actually the data of that is actually 3. So you guys just do that right here. Oh no, I got no. Right here, if you can see this right here, like the gold block, beside the gold block there's 0. That's the data. And so yeah, you're just gonna change that thing to number 2 or something like that if you're gonna use something such as those. Actually, let's try it right now. Actually, it works, because I tried it before, like with colored glass, and it does not work at all. But Minecraft has updated quite a few, so we're gonna go ahead and try that. We're gonna go ahead and crack stone bricks, and then we're just gonna go replace this. Oh god, this is gonna be. And we're gonna go ahead and change the codings here. Let's change the gold block into stone brick and change the data into 2. So there we go. So we're gonna go ahead and type stone brick and then change this thing to 2. See if it works. Oh, it works. Okay, there you go. So that was another way for you to actually get rarer stuff. I guess terracottas are one of them too. Yeah, look, there's a lot of colored stuff, so you can just use those. Like, find the data by /giving yourself, and you can actually just go ahead and try it out. It actually works. Look at that. Amazing, isn't it? So I hope you guys actually just learned something in this video, and that really helps you a lot. And I'm sorry if I talk a lot. I know some of you just hate people talking a lot in tutorials. You guys want to see how you do this and how you do that, but I guess some people want explanation of how things work. And if you guys want to know something else that maybe I can help, just comment down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.